Please refer to the specific model after it has been disassembled. If the car key is out of power, you can change it yourself, saving money and time. Prepare a set of small sticks and a small screwdriver for replacement. Avoid damaging the car key during the process. Locate the latch button on the back of the car key. Pull out the mechanical key while holding down the button. Gently push open the back cover. Locate the screws on the back of the car key. Unscrew the screws with a small screwdriver. Insert the small stick into the mechanical keyhole. Gently pry open the back cover. Gently push and detach the battery. Replace it with a graphene large-capacity battery for automobiles. Tighten the screws again. The cover is back to the back panel. Insert the mechanical key back in. In this way, the key was resurrected with full blood.